How the registration process, sir?
It's very simple and then this QR code.
Did you face any difficulty in this, sir?
When you have provided the complete details of the visitor, the process is very simple.
Sir, how was the staff? It's helpful.
Yes, good guidance.
Thank you so much, sir.